Now, last Latin track. Let's go. Start with arms up. Up, up, down. Look, circular hip, very slow. Give me two. One more time. Down. Very good. Side cha-cha. Very good. 4, 3, 2. To the side and cha-cha. Perfect. One more time. Now, step to the front and knee. Give me 3 knees. March. Go. Step knee. 3. Very good. Arms now to the side. Step knee. And we complete with mambo back. Very good. Step knee. Mambo back. Come forward. Step knee and come back. One more time. Very good. Step knee. We have to complete now. More arms for everybody. To the knee, go up and back. Yes. Step to the knee, the opposite arm. 2 more times. Perfect. Step. Last time. Woo! Watch now. Step cross. And stop. March. One more time. Step cross. Stop. Now more arms and one hip. Watch. Very good. Again. Step cross. Circle and hip. Very good. From the top. Come forward. Side cha-cha. Step knee with arms. Step cross. Circle. Yes. One more time. Come on. You got it. Woo! Second part. Go up. Yes. Second part again. Let's go. Relax. Remember the beginning. Up, up, down, look. One more time. Those are the arms from the beginning. Go up. Again. Now, more hips. 2 hips. Yes. Go up. Hip from the top. Step knee, cross. Second part, step cross. Circle, combination, down. Again. Perfect. You got it now. Second part, step cross. Circle, combination. Last time. Step. Very good. Go up, arms. Give me both.